Okay, so I want to look at this question on refraction again. This question is from 2012 paper 1 question 23. Okay, so let's read the question. A ray of light in a glass block is incident on a boundary with air at an angle of incidence of 40 degrees. The critical angle at the boundary is 43 degrees. What happens to the ray of light at the boundary? Now this question looks simple enough because first of all, we know that it's going from glass block to air, alright, and then so we know that it is from more dense to less dense. From more dense to less dense, okay, basically we need to do the critical angle judgment. We know that the critical angle in this case is 43 degrees and the angle of incidence is 40 degrees. So the angle of incidence is lesser than the critical angle, so it should refract away from the normal. Okay, so that will be our normal answer. So we will actually say it's totally refracted into the air, but that is not the correct answer. Now the reason is because there's a phenomenon that we are not very used to, is that glass is a reflective surface. So any reflective surface, okay, even though it is not a perfectly reflective surface, okay, it lets light go through, there will still be some reflection. Alright, because of that, light ray does not fully pass through. Some light rays are reflected. An example is this calculator. You can see, even though this is not glass, this is plastic, it has the same properties. You can see the reflection of the fluorescent light from the screen. Okay, so although some lights pass through the plastic, some of the light is actually reflected back to our eyes. So because of that, the answer should be, it is partly reflected back into the glass and partly refracted into the air. So the answer should be B, partly reflected back into the glass and partly refracted into the air. So that's the answer. Okay.